If you've read a lot of entrepreneurship-related articles, you've certainly observed that the majority of business owners have various revenue streams. Entrepreneurs may ensure that money never runs out by having money pouring in from many sources. Unfortunately, some people find it challenging enough to develop just one revenue stream, much mind multiple ones. Consequently, it's critical to have numerous sources of income. In fact, the average billionaire has 7 sources of income, according to the IRS. One, dividend income. Namely profits from stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds kept in a brokerage account. A firm has the option to either reinvest its profits back into the company or distribute some of them as dividends to its shareholders. The more dividend-paying investments you purchase, the more money you can earn. It's the ideal kind of passive income because all you have to do is reinvest your dividends to generate income. Choosing the correct stockbroker is crucial if you are a novice stock trader or investor. You may invest your hard-earned money properly by following the advice of knowledgeable online stockbrokers like XTB. 2. Rental income. That means income from renting out real estate, including houses, apartments, businesses, and storage facilities. Because all you need to do is collect the rent payments, rental income is passive. Of course, finding tenants and managing the property will need some initial labor, but once those tasks are completed, the money will start to flow in. Due to the relative ease of acquiring and maintaining properties, as well as the potential for significant returns, rental income is an excellent way to amass wealth. You can always invest in a REIT if you don't feel comfortable managing rental properties or making investments in rental units. Shopping centers, office buildings, and apartments are examples of the income-producing real estate that REITs, which are publicly traded businesses, own and manage. They provide excellent exposure to the real estate market without the burden of landlording. 3. Earned income. Money earned from work or side businesses. Earned income is the money you receive as compensation for your labor. If you want to increase your income, you must increase your work hours. It is possible to make your earned income work for you. Investing in a business is one option. You have the opportunity to generate much more money by running your own business than you ever could by working for someone else. Building a successful business obviously requires a lot of effort, commitment, and time, but it can also be incredibly gratifying on a personal and financial level. Investing your earned income in assets that will provide passive income is another approach to make it work for you. For instance, you may buy rental property with your earned money or build a dividend stock portfolio with it. 4. Royalties, which are profits from the sale of inventions, books, etc. in exchange for using your intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. You may receive royalties. If you create a brand new form of widget, for instance, you may sell the patent to a business that will then compensate you with royalties for each time they utilize your invention. Because you can get money without doing any effort, royalties are an excellent source of passive income. Making something worthwhile that people will want to utilize is the key. 5. Business income, meaning money received from company earnings. The money you earn from operating a business is known as business income. If you work for yourself, this can either be earned money or passive revenue. If you have an investment in a business, you are making money from your business in either case. Income from a business might be very significant, especially if you operate it. Landscaping, pet sitting, and house cleaning are a few examples of service-based enterprises. Product-based enterprises include food trucks, brick-and-mortar stores, and online retailers. Online companies include things like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and blogging. 6. Interest income. These are profits from bonds, savings accounts, and other sources. The money you make from lending someone else your money is known as interest income. For instance, the bank will provide you interest on the money in your savings account if you have one. Interest income is a fantastic kind of passive income since it allows you to make money without doing any labor. 7. Capital gains. The last income source we want to present are profits from selling assets that have increased in value. Profits from selling an asset for more than you bought for it are known as capital gains.
For instance, you would have generated a capital gain of $100 if you purchased Apple stock for $100 and sold it for $200. Gains from capital are an excellent source of passive income since you can make money without working.
The basic line is that, wherever you are, having numerous sources of income is a good idea. You'll be better off if you have more opportunities to get money without sacrificing your morals. And if you work for yourself, having several sources of income is practically necessary. You won't go bankrupt if one of your revenue streams suddenly stops, in addition to enjoying a bigger income. Just keep in mind that increasing your income takes time, just like anything else. With any of these jobs, you won't get wealthy overnight, just as you won't with a multi-level marketing company. Although money doesn't grow on trees, it does tend to increase when you put in a lot of effort. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great content.